Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you two cables that are used in my Lovinia scarf pattern. This design is knit out of June cashmere, fingering weight, and this is the color slate. You can find the pattern in my Ravelry shop if you're interested. The two cables I'm going to show you today are the 6/6 left cross and the 6/6 right cross. To do the 6/6 left cross cable, the first thing you'll do is slip 6 stitches to your cable needle. And remember to slip them purlwise so that you don't twist the stitches. Okay, there are 6 stitches on our cable needle. For a left cross cable, we want the stitches that are going to be on top to cross to the left. So to do that, once we have our 6 stitches on our cable needle, we're going to hold that to the front. And we're going to pretend it's not there for a minute. We're going to work 6 stitches from our left needle now. We're going to knit 2, purl 2, and then knit 2. Once that's done, we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to work the stitches from our cable needle. Okay, we're going to knit 2, purl 2, and then knit 2 again. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to do the 6/6 right cross. The steps are the same, except once we slip our 6 stitches to our cable needle, instead of holding it to the front, we are going to hold our cable needle to the back of our work. Because for a right cross, we want the stitches that are on top to cross to the right. So now that our cable needle is held to the back, we are going to knit 2, purl 2, and then knit 2 from our left needle. And now we're going to work the 6 stitches from our cable needle by knitting 2, and then we will purl 2, and then knit 2. Oops. Okay. And that's all there is to the 6/6 left cross and right cross cables. You can see the stitches on top from our left cross cable are slanting towards the left, and the stitches from our right cross cable are now slanting towards the right.